Okay, so step one is done. We kind of have these areas done. The rough drawing is done, and your lines are done. To go from here to the three-dimensional view, to this view, that's next. Here's how it's done. I'm just going to select this whole zone for now, just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to copy and paste one over here and work out this one. Okay, so I know the tiny home has a 7-foot height max to our walls. Why? Because our material is 7 feet tall. So I'm going to drag this whole wall up 7 feet. I'm going to drag this inside walls up the same 7 feet. Same 7 feet. All the walls, 7 feet tall. You can have a half wall where it's not going to be as full height. Maybe you wanted a wall just to be like a little there, but not like full. You can go short if you want. Up to you, you're the designer. So I'm going to go 7 feet, 7 feet, 7 feet. My doorways, I'm going to draw these into. I want a 6-foot tall doorway in a 7-foot tall wall. So I'm going to measure down 12 inches. I'm going to draw a line across from point to point, and I have to use a push-pull tool to bring this zone across. Do that for all the doorways. Draw, 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 draw. Okay, that brings me to over here. Windows, the same way you drew them for the classroom drawing, is I kind of figured out, well, this would be my entryway to walk in. I'm going to sit in here. I want a lot of light, a lot of windows to come through. I went kind of a taller window, meaning it's taller off the ground, not so big. One, for privacy, people can't see in and watch me watch TV. It'd be kind of weird. And two, I can now put maybe a taller couch back here, and the couch not block the window. So I just went same way I did for the classroom drawing. I kind of figured out where I want them to be, and I want to keep the same height as my door was a foot down. So I want a foot down for my windows. If you're going to go a bigger window, go a bigger window. Keep them planned. Don't make them kind of off or accidental. So I kind of went a set distance in from each edge. So I went a foot in and a foot in. Well, an 8-foot wall minus 2 feet is 6 feet. So I went 2 foot 11 and then 2 foot 11, and that gave me a small gap in between. So I could kind of draw this window in corner to corner, that window corner to corner, and I push those through. Push in, 3, enter. Push in, 3, enter. Erase off my guidelines. So there's kind of how you draw the windows. All right, so add windows, we need to add windows. You gotta make sure you have those zones figured out, the doors figured out. For like a sleeping zone above, washing zone below. I'm having a kitchen and an eating area here, and then a relaxing area. So relaxing, eating, washing. Above is my sleeping zone. There's part 2.